Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to change sound on our alarm. Let's get started. Firstly, we can go ahead to our clock app on our iPhone device. So once we are here, all we need to do then is to click the plus sign for us to set an alarm. So just like for example, we are going to set here 6:30 p.m. And after setting the time, we can go ahead and click sound for us to change the current sound on our alarm. And if you notice on our screen right now, we do have here different ringtones that we can use on our alarm. So if we try to scroll down here, we can definitely use one of these. So just like for example, we're going to use this one. In case that we don't like that, so we can also choose any. So just like for example, this. If that sound suits on our taste, then we can go ahead and confirm. So with that, we can go back. So we're going to click this. And once everything is set, then we can go ahead and click save. So basically, that's how we are going to change the sound of our alarm on our iPhone device. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.